Oh, dude. Hey, what's up guys? My name's Dennis Feltz. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day today. So I'm back with my friend AJ here. And we're just gonna be out on these streams here. We're just gonna actually walk to them. We're a little bit away, but we're just gonna be fishing them. Got on some spinners, and we're gonna hoping to have a good day. It is super warm out. There's deer all over, right there, right there. So we're just gonna have some fun today. It's super nice out, and we're gonna definitely catch some fish for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. Here, wait. I know there's a fish in here. Just gotta get a good cast. Beautiful. That's gonna catch him. There we go.
Nice catch. Oh,
jumper. Not even gonna take him out of the water. Just gonna release him right here. We're out for you. There you go. Boom. Okay, AJ, cast into there, please. Get a good cast. I promise you're gonna catch one this time. After like the 5th time he's saying I promise you're gonna catch one, this is the one. Right here. Just cast into that pocket. That's good enough. Just reel it. Just reel it. You should get one. Oh, you see that right there? There he is.
Oh, he got it.
He's on. You're on, bro. Nice. Do not horse him. Just go down to the water and bring him in, dude. You don't want to hurt these fish.
Come on, man.
It's a nice one too. Good job. Oh my God! No way. Double up.
Double.
Let me just send something. All right, we're good. Beauty is
just logging slowly.
That's like my 3rd favorite kind of oak. What is that? Look, I don't want to touch it, but dog bone. It's really not a dog bone, but we're gonna call it for today. Oh, dude. Beauty. Getting back in there. There we go. He's just gotta flip him up here. And you. What? Hold on. Ready?
Yeah,
what?
That's the problem. Is my rod is too much fucked up. I don't have enough flexibility.
Let's try again. Yeah. We just gotta get up. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna bring him up here. It's a small one. You can still catch another one in here. Yeah, for sure. All right, buddy. Oh, there is one right there. I just lost one, AJ. I just lost. Oh. Dude, I just lost a big one. Oh, you missed it. There you go. Oh, it's a tank. Dude, that's a nice one. No! Dude, the thing was huge. Dude, what? These fish just don't like us, bro. Let me get a cast. There we go. No, bro, okay, done with this lure. Here, let me get the cast. Watch. There he is, come on. Dude, are they not just gonna eat it? There we go. Just gonna bring him up here. Thank you. I'll let him down. he is. Oh, that's a nice one. Did you? No, he's still on. Dude, look at this thing. Dude, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Nice fish. Dude, look at that. Just choked it. Look at this beauty. Let's get a release. And there he goes. There we go. Good cast, man. Yeah, definitely. Cast in there. You can get another one. Here, I'll give you a different lure. It's definitely the lure while you're not catching them. This is definitely gonna produce a fish. I can just, yeah, they're a perfect cast. There we go. This might produce a fish. I'm not sure though. No, too shallow. Ah, this on the other hand. AJ! This is gonna produce a fish. There's no way this hole doesn't produce a fish. Look at that. I just lost him. It's okay, I got him right here. Go cast another one. You got this, bro. I believe in you. Nice. Oh, you see that? You see that? You just missed him. He was on it too. You got this, bro. I believe in you. Dude. Oh, man. What am I going to do with you? What are you doing? Yeah. Cast. This is fish. Fish is right here. There's one. Oh, we dropped it. These are fish right here. We're gonna catch one. There we go. Something in here, and if I don't get stuck on something, and there they all are. Here's how to ruin a spot really quickly. I don't want to lose this lure. I'll be back in a second, AJ. Wait for me. Dude, did you see that thing?
That was mine. No.
Dude.
He stole the fish.
I did not steal the fish. See, this thing's nice though. Look at him.
Oh.
Look at this thing. You know, long here. Come here. Wait, don't. Hey. Just look at this beauty. He's nice though. Look at him. I think I got a little too close, so I might have spooked him. Hopefully not, though. Oh, there's a hair right there. I did not spook them. Tank. How do I... Okay, I'm gonna come over here. Do not snap off. Dude, this thing's a beauty. Dude, look at this. That's what I'm talking about.
Look at the beauty of the spot over there.